In the Honda Passport, convenience meets technology with the driving position memory system. This feature remembers your preferred seat settings and makes life easier for drivers sharing the vehicle. Each key fob is numbered so you can set up 2 distinct seating positions, perfect for multiple drivers. Here's how to set it up. Start your vehicle, adjust your seat to the position you want, then press the Set button to activate the memory feature. Within 5 seconds, press Memory button 1 or 2, depending on which key fob you're using. A beep will confirm that your seat position has been saved. It's that simple. Recalling a saved position is just as easy. With the matching key fob in hand, grab the driver's door handle, and as you open the door, your seat will adjust automatically to the stored position. If it doesn't, or if the wrong key fob is used, just press the corresponding memory button inside the door to manually select your setting. The Passport also features an exit mode. When you park, turn the car off, and open the driver's door, the seat slides back to make getting out of the car more comfortable. Keep in mind a few limitations. Make sure you press the memory button within 5 seconds of hitting the Set button, or the process will cancel. The system only works when the transmission is in park, and it can be disrupted by interference from devices like mobile phones. Also, both key fobs in the car at the same time can confuse the system. Want to know more about the Passport's clever features? Hit that subscribe button and join me for the next video.